Losing even a small part of your sight can feel like a great loss. Our vision connects us to the world in so many important ways. It allows us to see the faces of our loved ones. It helps us read a good book on a quiet afternoon. It keeps us safe as we walk through our homes and neighborhoods. For many seniors, maintaining independence is a primary goal. Good eyesight is a cornerstone of that independence. The fear that this clarity might fade can be a daily worry. The solution to helping our eyes may not be found in a complicated procedure. It might be waiting for you in your own kitchen. As the years pass, our bodies change, and our eyes are no exception. It is common to notice shifts in your vision. These changes are often gradual. You might find yourself needing more light to read the newspaper. Perhaps things look a bit blurry up close, or you notice more glare from headlights at night. These are common age-related eye conditions. One of the most well-known is cataracts, where the lens of the eye becomes cloudy. It can dull colors and make bright lights feel uncomfortable. Another significant concern for many seniors is age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. This condition affects the macula, the part of the retina for sharp central vision. AMD can make straight lines appear wavy or create a blurry spot in the center of sight. We also see dry eye syndrome become more frequent. These conditions are often linked to a lifetime of sunlight exposure and oxidative stress, a small healthy snack prepared on a plate. There is growing understanding of how specific nutrients support eye health. What if a small, simple change to your evening routine could make a difference? Imagine giving your body the specific tools it needs to repair and protect your eyes while you sleep. A simple snack before bed, chosen with care, can deliver a powerful dose of key nutrients. These nutrients may help your body's natural repair processes. They could help fortify your eyes against the slow march of time. This essay is about a gentle, hopeful approach to eye care. It is not a promise of a miracle cure. Instead, it is a guide to supporting your body's incredible ability to heal itself. We will explore why sight changes as we age. We will discuss why nighttime is such a crucial period for eye restoration. Sleep is not just a period of inactivity. It is one of the most active and important times for your body's health. While your mind rests, your body is hard at work. It is a time for deep cellular repair, restoration, rebuilding. This is true for your muscles, your brain, and especially for your eyes. During the day, your eyes are constantly working. They are processing light, focusing on near objects, focusing on far objects. This constant activity generates metabolic waste. It can lead to minor cellular damage. Sleep provides the essential downtime needed to clean up and repair. More importantly, blood flow to the eyes can increase during certain sleep stages. It brings a fresh supply of oxygen, nutrients, directly to the tissues of the eye. This is why the timing of your nutrition can be so impactful. Now, let us reveal the simple, powerful combination of foods to try before you sleep. The ideal bedtime snack is a small plate with 3 key components: a small portion of cooked salmon, 1 soft-boiled egg, a few slices of kiwi, or a handful of tart cherries, lightly steamed spinach, lightly steamed kale. This meal is not large or heavy. It is nutrient-dense and gentle on your stomach. Each ingredient is easy to prepare and easy to eat. Salmon can be baked or steamed until flaky and soft. A soft-boiled egg has a gentle texture. Kiwi is easy to slice. Cherries require no preparation at all. 2 to 3 ounces of pre-cooked salmon, about the size of a deck of cards. Beside it, place 1 soft-boiled egg, sliced in half. Finish the plate with 4 or 5 slices of fresh kiwi, or 8 to 10 tart cherries. Another option is a very light salad. Flake the salmon over baby spinach. Add the sliced egg, top with the fruit. A tiny drizzle of olive oil would add healthy fats. It is important to keep the portions small. The goal is to provide nutrients without burdening digestion. Think of it as a medicinal nighttime treat, a small, deliberate act of self-care, a signal to your body that you are providing the materials to care for your precious eyes. Each component of this bedtime snack was chosen for a specific, Scientific reason. Let us start with the salmon. This fatty fish is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA. The retina of your eye contains a very high concentration of DHA. This fatty acid is a critical structural component of the photoreceptor cells. Omega-3s also have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. They can help reduce the chronic inflammation that contributes to dry eye and macular degeneration. Providing your body with these fats before sleep gives it the raw material to reinforce cell membranes in the eye. Next, we have the soft-boiled egg. The yolk is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, pigments that accumulate in the macula. The fat in the yolk helps absorption. Furthermore, eggs provide a good amount of zinc. Zinc helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina. Vitamin A helps produce melanin, a protective pigment in the eyes. The fruit component, either kiwi or tart cherries, serves two purposes: antioxidants like vitamin C that support eye blood vessels, and natural compounds that may improve sleep quality. Cherries are a natural source of melatonin. Finally, spinach or kale add even more lutein and zeaxanthin, the most concentrated food sources of these carotenoids. When omega-3s, lutein, zeaxanthin, zinc, and vitamin C are present in your bloodstream during the night, your body can reduce inflammation, filter damaging light, rebuild cell structures, and neutralize harmful free radicals, all while you sleep. All while you enjoy a deep and restorative sleep. Sometimes, hearing about the experiences of others can be the most powerful motivator. While these are just simple examples and not scientific studies, they illustrate the potential impact of small, consistent changes. Consider Mary, a 72-year-old woman who struggled with persistent dry eye. After about a month, the gritty, tired feeling began to lessen, and she reached for drops less often. She also felt she was sleeping a bit more soundly on the nights she had her special snack. Then there is James, 68, who swapped ice cream or cookies for tart cherries and a few walnuts, and added more leafy greens to dinner. Over about 2 months, his vision felt steadier at dusk, with less headlight glare. His doctor noted no progression, and his omega-3 levels improved. For both Mary and James, these small changes did not cure their conditions, but they provided noticeable support and a sense of control. While the bedtime snack is a powerful tool, it works best as part of a broader strategy for eye health. Make it a goal to eat a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables every day. Bright orange foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and bell peppers are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. Nuts and seeds, like walnuts or ground flax seeds, provide plant-based omega-3s. Almonds offer vitamin E that works with vitamin C. The goal is to consistently steer your choices toward these nutrient-dense foods. Wear sunglasses that block 100% of UVA and UVB rays, like a protective shield for your eyes. Manage high blood pressure, cholesterol, and diabetes with your doctor. These affect the eye's tiny blood vessels. Stay physically active to support healthy circulation, including to your eyes. Get regular, comprehensive eye exams. Issues can be spotted long before symptoms. Each small action contributes to a comprehensive plan for keeping your eyes healthy. We have learned that your kitchen can be a true ally in the effort to protect your vision. A small bedtime snack of cooked salmon, a soft-boiled egg, and kiwi or tart cherries delivers omega-3s, lutein, zeaxanthin, antioxidants, and works in harmony with sleep. Remember, pair it with colorful fruits, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, plus sunglasses and regular eye exams. Try this gentle bedtime snack once or twice this week, and talk with your doctor about your eye health. There is so much life yet to see. Your vision is worth it. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips.